Welcome to Omniful, your comprehensive solution for warehouse and order management. Today, we're diving into one of our fundamental feature, hub creation. Let's get started. What is a hub? A hub refers to a central facility where goods are received, stored, processed, and distributed. It serves as a focal point for managing inventory, order fulfillment, and logistics operations. Now let's understand how hubs are created. To create hubs, navigate to Hubs and click on Create Hub. Here you can get an idea of how a hub looks. Then click on Next to proceed further. Provide essential details like the hub's name, hub type, email ID, contact details, hub code, and currency. You can choose if you want your hub to have POS sales. Click and collect support. Then add the address details for the HUB. Add country, state, city, and click Next. Now select working hours and time zone according to your preference. Select the days on which operations are on or off. Then the next step is hub configuration. In Omniful, you can tailor your hub's configuration and features. First is inventory configuration. You can determine how inventory is tracked in your hub based on the location. You can enable or disable gate entry, purchase order, or stock transfer order. Next is the picking method. You can choose if you want to enable single order picking, multi-order, or both. In single order picking, you can select single or multiple order tags associated to single order. User can further choose between FIFO or LIFO picking methods. In multi-order picking, you can select further types and edit the capacities as required for completed segregated or partial non-segregated picking. Fourth is item picking configuration. Specify whether you want the location barcode scanning and bin barcode scanning to be used, while picking and manual typing for barcode and quantity are enabled or disabled. Then the last is cycle count configuration. Decide whether blind counts are allowed and if pickers can update inventory during the counting process. Once done, click on Next and confirm. With this, you have successfully created a hub. You can get a complete overview of the hub and can edit the details anytime. And there you have it, the hub creation feature in Omniful, providing convenience for customers, inventory efficiency, and operational streamlining. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time.